In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as important in Gmail. This is a quick and easy process that can really enhance your email management and ensure that you never miss out on significant communications. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Gmail, entering your credentials if needed, and accessing your inbox. Once you've got your inbox open, take a look at the arrangement of your emails. Now, Gmail has designed an array of functional icons right on the left side of your email rows to help streamline how you manage them. Here, you'll notice icons like the familiar checkbox, a star, and, most crucial for our task today, a rightward pointing arrow. This arrow is what we're really interested in to highlight our important emails. Pay close attention to the left side of each email row as you scan through your list. It's easy to overlook these small icons when you're focusing on the email content itself, but getting familiar with these tools can drastically improve your email handling. Once you identify the email you wish to mark as important, move your cursor over this email row. Don't click anywhere just yet. As you hover over this space, those icons become much more visible and accessible. Now click on the rightward pointing arrow and voila! That's all there is to it. This simple action tells Gmail to prioritize this message for you, making it stand out against the others. By marking an email as important, you're effectively instructing Gmail to treat these communications with higher priority, helping them not get buried among less urgent messages. In essence, this is a way of organizing your digital life to ensure critical emails are easily locatable whenever you need them again. It is part of optimizing the way we interact with our emails, essentially an effortless, effective trick to stay on top of what truly matters. Using the screen efficiently and taking a structured approach to prioritizing emails can make a big difference in productivity and communication management. This feature is particularly valuable for individuals who receive a high volume of emails and need to sort through them quickly for time-sensitive matters. So there you have it, a straightforward step that enhances efficiency in handling your digital correspondence. By consistently using this feature, you'll be setting up a workflow that works for you, not against you, ensuring that you give attention where it's most needed. Don't forget to make it a habit to regularly sort through your important emails, reevaluate their priority as necessary, and clear out any clutter. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to mark an email as important in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.